Hi friend, welcome to Math A to Z. Today's problem from JEE Main 2023, and this is from coordinate geometry. Let R be a rectangle given by the line, 4 lines are given, x equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to 0, y equal to 5. And let A alpha 0 and B 0 beta, where alpha is given by in the range 0, 2 and beta is also given by in the range 0, 5. Be such that the line segment AB divide the area of the rectangle R in the ratio 4:1. The midpoint of AB lies on a 4 options are given. We have to find the correct alternative. Here the 4 straight line which is given by, this is x equal to 0 means y axis, this is x equal to 2, this is x equal to 2, this is y equal to 0 x axis, and this is y equal to 5, y equal to 5. This is the rectangle. Rectangle, name of the rectangle is OABC. Sorry, OPQR. OPQR. Here A alpha 0 and B 0 beta. This is A alpha 0 and this is B 0 beta, and this line segment divide the rectangle in the ratio 4:1. That is, the area of the triangle is 1 and the area of this portion is given by 4. So from the given condition, area of A, P, Q, R, B, A by area of triangle OAD, this is equal to 4 by 1. We know that the area of the rectangle is, this is 2 and this is 5. So the total area of the rectangle is 2 into 5, this is 10 square unit, right? And area of the triangle is, this is alpha, this is beta, so half alpha beta. Hence we get 10 minus half alpha beta by half alpha beta, this is equal to 4 by 1, and we get 10 minus half alpha beta, this is equal to 2 alpha beta, and 2 plus half into alpha beta, this is equal to 10, and 5 by 2 into alpha beta, this is equal to 10, that is alpha beta, this is equal to 4, right? Now we have to find the locus of the midpoint of AB. Let the midpoint is S, and the coordinate of midpoint is alpha by 2, beta by 2. So we put alpha by 2, this is equal to x, and beta by 2, this is equal to y, that is alpha equal to 2x, beta equal to 2y. So we get 4xy, this is equal to 4, that is xy equal to 1, right? So the locus of the midpoint of AB is given by xy equal to 1. Clearly this is of the form xy equal to c square. So this must be a hyperbola. So our correct option is hyperbola. B is the correct option. Thank you for watching.